Hi, it's Paul from Wolf Software Systems. I haven't done a video for a while, so I do apologise, but things have been a little bit crazy for us. We're talking about WolfStack, which is our release it probably February, March to the public. It has gone a bit mad, but I'm going to talk through some of the new things that we've got in there. So firstly, we've got a new tool for creating Galera clusters. If you look in here, I've actually got a Galera cluster that was built through not on that one. It's not on that one. It's this one down here. It's in this cluster. So basically, this is a Galera cluster that was built by WolfStack, and you can see that we've also got it. Also can build you a max scale load balancer as well, and it basically builds it all. It writes all the configs, connects it all up, and off you go. And then when it builds it, what it tends to do is it will build it on. I think you get a choice of which nodes to put it on. I put it all on one node because I was just testing it out. But then you can use the migrate facility to migrate this to another node. So I'm just going to talk a bit about the structure here. So we've got a fleet is a collection of clusters. And then we've got clusters, which is a collection of nodes. And nodes are individual servers. Okay, so they could be a Raspberry Pi and 2 old boxes you've got in the garage. They could be, I don't know, 3 cloud servers, a mixture of cloud servers and offline servers, etc., etc., etc. And that's all kind of built into it. So there's that sort of thing. We've been working on Wolf Router, we've been working on status pages and all kinds of other things. And we're constantly adding stuff to it. This one's baby is running a bit high at the moment because it's running some processes. But what we've really found is that a few things. Firstly, we found that we go and look at security. So we have found that the number of attacks have dropped slightly. What basically WolfStack does is when it detects someone trying to log into Proxmox, trying to log into WolfStack, trying to log in via SSH or anything else, and a few other different things. When it detects someone trying to do that, it will automatically block their IP. That IP is just blocked straight away, and then you can do report abuse. If you want to report it, you can. Obviously, this one that it's from a university, so that's where that attack is coming from. So you can see this kind of stuff. Only because it has really, really increased. I don't know if it's AI, dawn of AI, people just trying it out, trying to hack servers, but it has made life very difficult and a lot more work. And we're hoping that WolfStack will actually help us to overcome a lot of those issues. So if you've got any ideas and stuff, we're always interested to hear. You can post it on our Reddit, or you can post it on or join our Discord, for instance. That's quite good. We are looking for more Discord sponsors, and we're also looking for people to look at the enterprise version of WolfStack, which is good. So you can find details of that. And there's like a home lab version and different licensing options, but you can use the thing for free, obviously. But if you've got a bit of cash and you want to help support it, we are just a tiny mini company. So we love all the support we can get. I'm just going to change the background on this because I just realized that there's no background. So you can just customize it a bit. I'm going to do a picture from Wolf Territories grid, I think. There we go. Oh, image too large. I wasn't planning to do this. I just like demonstrating things kind of off the cuff. This one, image too large. I know. We'll upload a logo or something. Upload an image. Stack. This one I think is quite small. There you go. Blur it a bit as well. Yeah, okay. I think it's because the theme I got has got a solid background. So if I go to midnight, it's a bit of a different theme. So there's like a whole bunch of themes in here. Carbon, fruit, which is a light theme. That's a bit much for my eyes. You can customize the sidebar. This is all the setting stuff. You can set up your AI agents in here, icons. There's quite a few, it is a huge project. Now, one of the things that we had is people get a bit overwhelmed by it. Also, you can just click this button here and basically over there. So we've got like a whole bunch of lessons that you can learn, and we're gradually improving this and adding to it just to help you go through. And cool thing is you can look around it and you can still click around your WolfStack and understand what's there. So that's quite a good way of learning. With WolfStack, it's got a pop out thing if you want to pop it out. You can talk to AI about your lesson. So yeah, so that's quite an interesting thing is we've added that tutorial in because what we're trying to do is help people who haven't got any experience actually get very quick access to what WolfStack does and how they can how they can use it. So you can see in this case, so this is Wolf Router, by the way, if you haven't seen this before. We really like our graphics. So that's all I'm going to do today. So we would like as much help as we can financially. If you want to give a little bit, even if it's like £5 a month, every little helps us to build this and support it. And it's very community driven. And so we're really looking for people to try it out, throw it on whatever you've got. If your fridge runs Linux, stick WolfStack on it. We want to see what it does. It does run on all kinds of different processors, from a Raspberry Pi right up to IBM power servers, which is really exciting. It's great for home labbers. It's great for people like me who are running multiple clusters. These are all different clusters. There's couple of Proxmox clusters in here. In fact, these two nodes used to be in this Proxmox cluster, but we're gradually migrating everything out of Proxmox. But it will run perfectly on top of Proxmox and run alongside it. Doesn't really have a problem. Or you can run it on bare metal, stick it on anything really. So that's that then. Have a really good day. Our website is wolfstack.org. If you need software development, please get in touch with us at wolf.uk.com. We're keen to build all kinds of things.